I still remember my humble self, Mr. Brown, okay? Don't forget to subscribe before watching this video. Like I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe before watching this video. I have a problem with me on speed time graph. Speed time graph. It's very simple, okay? This question came out last year, WAEC, that was 2023. And you understand how WAEC normally do their things. Sometimes they used to repeat questions. That's the reason why I'm here to see on how to help this current SS3 on solving this problem. Okay, I have a problem with me here. Like I've said earlier, the problem is strictly on what? Speed, time, what? Graph. So, problem 1. The car starts from rest and accelerates uniformly at 3 meters per second for 4 seconds. Sorry, this is square. At 3 meters per second square for 4 seconds until it reaches a speed of v meter per second. It then travels at this constant speed for 8 seconds. It finally comes to rest after t seconds. So the problem about this is how to bring out the diagram. And how can you do that? The diagram can be done from the what? The question, okay? So let me follow the question sequentially. Sequentially to what? Draw the diagram. Solution. Okay, let me use this part because there's no space. The car starts from rest. That means from rest, that's from rest. Let me go this way. The car starts from rest. This is the car. The car starts from this particular point, from rest, and accelerates uniformly at 3 meters per second. That means I have this is the velocity time graph. The car starts from rest, from this point, accelerates uniformly at what? 3 meters per second square. Okay? 4 seconds. That means for 4 seconds. For 4 seconds. So here is what? 4. Remember, here is my what? V, meter per what? Second. And here is my what? T seconds. You get it now? Okay, let's proceed. For 4 seconds until it reaches a speed of v meter per second, which that means this part is what? V meter per what? Second. It then travels at this constant speed. That's constant speed. It then travels at constant speed. Okay, then travels at constant speed for 8 seconds. That means constant speed for 8 seconds. That means here is 8, here is 4, here is 8. 4 plus 8, I'll now have my what? 12. Okay, so it finally comes to rest after t second. It finally comes to rest. Finally comes to rest. So this is the diagram for it. So what is this? What is this point here? This point here, I need to know this point. Okay, this point here is what? Unknown. So with the help of this diagram alone, you have mark. Okay, watch. Why did I put this and this? This is what I'm going to use to solve anything that involves what? Distance. I'm not using this time, I'm using this as my what? My base. That was why I did that. So the first question is that find A, its value of V. That means I'm looking for this point here, V. How will I do that? As my acceleration is given. My acceleration is given as what? 3 meters per second square. Okay? For 4 seconds. That means I'm looking for this V here is what? All these parts. Okay? From this part to this part. So my time there is what? 4 what? Seconds. Okay? I know that my A is equals to what? V over what? T. Right? So my A is what? 3. My acceleration is equals to V over what? 4. Right? So I'll cross multiply. My V is equals to what? 12 meters per what? Second. So here is now what? Here is 12. Okay? So I'm done with A. So A is solved. So my A is what? Solved already. Let me come to my B. Let's now say find the what? Average speed for the first 12 seconds. That means my average speed from this particular point to this point. That means I need to find this. This is A. This is what? B. My average speed from this point to this point. How will I do that? Which is my B. So it's my B now. I need to look for my speed of what? I'm looking for what? What shape is this? This is triangle and this is what? A rectangle. Okay? So I'm going to look for area of a triangle and area of a what? Rectangle to get my what? Average speed. Am I communicating? Let's flow. So the first one, let me look for this. My area of triangle. Okay, which is what? Half base times height. Okay, so from here now, I have half times my base is what? My base is 4 times my height is what? 12. Okay, so this will go 1, this will go 2. So like I was saying, so my area of a rectangle is what? Length times breadth. So my area is what? 12 times 8. So my area is equals to 12 times 8 is what? That's 96 meter what? Square. So I'm done in looking for my what? My area of a triangle and my area of a what? Rectangle. So what is my total distance covered now? So my total distance covered is equals to what? 24 plus what? 96, which is equals to what? 120 what? Meter. So my 120 meter is my what? Total distance what? Covered. So this is my average speed. So my average speed based on what was given in the question is equals to what? My total distance over what? Total distance over my time. So total distance over what? My time taken, okay? So, which is equals to my total distance has been solved, 120. And the time we asked to use is what? In 12 seconds. So, that's what? 12. Which is equals to 12 here 1, 12 here what? 1. So I have my what? 10 what? Meter per what? Second. So this is my what? Average speed covered in what? 12 what? Second. So don't forget to what? Follow me on my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribing button. Thank you so much.